Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Kindly remove your textbook, page number 8. Can you look at this picture? What a beautiful scenery this is. Yes, it depicts what? It depicts the rainy season. So today our topic is, yes, correct, In Time of Silver Rain, the poem by Langston Hughes. Now in this poem, the poem is about the expression of joy and beauty of nature that spring brings, along with it filling our hearts with wonderment at newness of life. So let's see what is stored in for us in the poem. In the time of silver rain. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and all over the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. Now, in this stanza, what is the message or what is he trying to say is that in the poem that there is a vivid imaginary. Now you can find that various sceneries are being there. The poet Langston paints a vivid imagery of rains during springtime. He elaborates his simple yet effective style, the majestic spread of life in nature. Now, what changes are being seen in the nature? The grass and flowers stretching across the green vistas act as symbols of newness in nature. Everything is new. You may find new green grass grow, flower grow, and everywhere, whatever the grasslands are there or whatever land is available, everywhere you find completely newness. Now in the second stanza, in time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky, as down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too, in time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. Now in this stanza, the poet is trying to explain us his view that the coming of the rain in springtime, it is inviting what? It is inviting the butterflies that flutter around in hope of catching a rainbow, as if the butterfly wanted to catch a rainbow. But is it possible to catch a rainbow? No, children. The trees give birth to new leaves to express their joy, as if the trees are also so happy that they give birth to new leaves. The happiness in nature is so contagious that it extends to human beings as well. Even we feel happy now that when you see rain is falling down, even you feel happy. So that means the joy or the happiness the rain brings is not only for the nature but also for us, the human beings. The boys and the girls sing very merrily as they walk down the road in the rain at the onset of spring season. Now spring is a type of season. So here even the boys and girls who are going to the school They sing merrily as they walk down the road. In the childhood, even you also, while going to school and coming back, or while playing, you'll enjoy na rainy season. So here also, the poet has said that yes, they are enjoying this to the full of the extent. So we find what? That in this poem, he describes how rain brings joy and life. So students, hope the idea is being clear that what the poet is trying to tell. So you all enjoy the rainy season also, and plus the various newness which is depicted in this poem. So the Langston Hughes, he was an American writer and activist who won many awards and honors for his work, and he started a new style of writing poetry in which rhyme and spontaneous expressions are important. So in this poem he describes how rain brings joy and life. Hope you all have understood the poem very well. Thank you, children.